stay up here, Lil. Lil, stay up here. The other day we went to strawberry picking, so we were dressed in bright pink. We eat a lot of strawberries, aren't we, Olivia? Holy miserable. Excuse me. Good boy. Give Lily some. Lily's turn. Good boy. Let me get back.
Hey, nearly.
Not go far. We gonna watch kids.
Yeah, yeah.
Watch me scream like a little
Got him. Max, come on. Max!